Greetings from Austin, Texas. Hi, my name is Michael with PrimeLights.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our Wildcat 160. This LED linear high bay puts out 21,000 lumens and runs at 160 watts. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The PrimeLights Wildcat 160 is the perfect fixture to maximize your energy rebates, as it is certified DLC Premium and UL listed. This fixture is rated at a minimum of 50,000 running hours and also includes the PrimeLights Complete Replacement 5-year warranty. As previously mentioned, the Wildcat 160 puts out 21,000 lumens, makes a great replacement for 450 watt metal halides and just about any fluorescent out there. This fixture has a split panel design in order to provide maximum coverage to the work surface. Built-in polycarbonate diffusers can be removed from the factory as an option. Thanks for watching our unboxing video. Again, I'm Michael with PrimeLights. The Wildcat 160 is available to ship today. Check it out on our website, PrimeLights.com, or give us a call for more information or for a free lighting layout. Thank you very much.